Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades here. We're going to be doing our stocks to watch out for video tomorrow. But before we do that, I just want to discuss quickly a tip on technical analysis and how to break down stocks before the market even opens. Alright guys, if you've never been to my channel, I'm AB Trades and I teach people how to day trade options. I promise you I won't disappoint. If you click that subscribe and alert so you get notified to every video. I pump these videos with as much information and content as I possibly can, so I guarantee that you will enjoy at least 99% of it, right? Because there's always going to be something you dislike personally. Anyways, moving on here. So looking at the pre-market notes that I made for the premium group here, you can see that that everyone gets access to the SPY notes, but then we also have the rest of the stocks. But I just wanted to quickly cover SPY here. It says that we had a massive open this morning, nothing new, right? I'm just commenting here at around 7:30, 7:45 and recording notes, right? I said break above minor downtrend on the 15-minute, right? Looking here, we have this downtrend coming through and we're breaking into this area. And yesterday I said we're either going to get rejected at this level or we're going to push above and see that huge push, which is what we saw this morning. And it said minor downtrend on the 15-minute. So a retest of 298 or 297.5 would not be unreasonable. However, watch for volume and trade the trend. So looking here, what does that mean? We have this huge push up, right? But a pullback to 298 or 279.5 would not be unreasonable. Why? Because look at how much we have moved in the past hour. Most of it being pre-market. That means no volume is there to support this move. That means we have to see a bit of a retracement come back before we actually validate this as the move up. There's no volume, no people confirming. If you really want to understand more about this, I was saying 298. Why? Because that's a whole number, right? We have our whole number and $half levels that are discussed multiple times. I discussed it in the course, and I know I mentioned it on YouTube over and over and over. But looking here, you can see that we can even bring in some other stuff, such as fib retracements, right? You can look at a fib from the bottom to the top, and you can see here that a 50% retracement is sitting right there at around 297.9, aka let's round up to 298. So that's also another reason, or I mean, again, you wouldn't have seen the top that high, but again, if you see here, we know that 298 is still another level here at the 23.6 level. I'm just saying, like, take into consideration everything when trading. You'll never know everything, but you need to know as much as you can know in order to be successful trading. So what am I saying? I'm saying understand volume, understand what's happening pre-market, and always, always, always use that 15-minute chart. Use different time frames to understand different price levels, right? Look, we're moving down. We break above. Wow, we have a green day. What a surprise, right? All right, now moving on to the top stocks. Let's cover the FANG stocks real quick. Looking at Facebook, you can see here that we're breaking up to the upside. We're squeezing up here. We are holding above the $202 level, setting up for the 10% continuation play and holding. So we're going to look for that to hold through through aftermarket and pre-market. Apple's consolidating into a triangle towards the upside. Looking for more of an uptrend ascending triangle pattern, looking for that breakout up to the highs, right? But again, we want Apple to hold this level tomorrow or higher if we want to see that continuation of a breakout. Amazon here, looking out if we can get this stock market to load here. Here we go, sorry. You can see here that Amazon hit that perfect 10% continuation play, just like mentioned in yesterday's video. We're looking for that break above this high. We got that break above the high and follow through. Now, more times than not, the 10% continuation play does not work on the second day plays. So seeing that we have the second day play here not working, we're going to have to watch out for that and be more cautious on that play to the upside. But again, do not fight the trend. The trend is up. So we'll see where we can go from there. One of the last stocks here that we're going to cover is Netflix. If you can see here, we're trading range bound still, but we are holding above 370, so that's a good sign of strength. However, you can see here that we kind of tipped out at around this 385 area, 384.90, before we kind of fell back down. So this is showing a lot of indecision. I bet on the daily you can even see some dojis up here. So if we see a break below this 377.6 level and drop back down to retest 370, that's not going to be unlikely, right? Because we're coming up. This is just an uptrend, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? It's just a natural progression of the stock market. Nothing complicated, nothing out of someone's level of smartness. It's just understanding trends and the level. If you also want to understand trends better, please look at Elliott waves and wave counting. There are some people in the group chat who can reference that to you as well as books and resources to read on that. But anyways, simple is we're in an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. Let's trade it using fibs to measure exactly where we may bounce, and let's continue making money. Thank you so much for watching this video. See y'all tomorrow. Please like, comment, and subscribe so I know you enjoyed the video.